And so one thing that we're really interested in understanding is the role of localized or nanoscale defects. So, I mean, if you think about a quantum dot, people like to say that it is inherently just a defect. So it's a nice little nanocrystal, but it's so riddled with defects that it's just mind-blowing that it even can fluoresce. But we're interested in understanding how these defects play a role in the overall optoelectronic properties, or in the charge transfer process or exciton transfer processes that we're interested in.
Okay, so what you mentioned in the short podcast as well, how light interacts with matter. And when you say matter, it's not just the material, but also the defects and like everything that has to do with the material at a nano or a micro scale, depending on which material you're working with.
And you can also imagine that, the absorption of light not only just, changes or promotes that electron to a higher lying state, but you can also think about possibly a slight deformation in the crystal lattice or something like that. And so those are the questions that we're asking and we're trying to solve. Whether there's a structural change upon light absorption, or if it's simply an electronic change, and how, subtle changes in the crystal structure change the properties of the material.
We hope you enjoyed this snippet. Check out the full episode by following the link in the show notes. A lot of work goes into creating every episode of Under the Microscope. We meticulously look for the best materials and nanoscientists from around the world to feature on Under the Microscope. So do leave us a review and share your favorite episodes with your favorite people. Thank you very much.